Different strokes for different folks. Embracing unique sexual preferences. In the realm of love and intimacy, sexual preferences are as diverse as the colors of the rainbow. Each person has their own unique desires and attractions, which can be as varied and beautiful as the spectrum of colors we see in nature. Just like our taste in food or music, what brings one person pleasure might not resonate with another. Our individual preferences make us who we are, and they add richness to our experiences. This is perfectly natural and healthy. It's important to recognize and celebrate these differences rather than judge them. Embrace the uniqueness of your desires and those of your partner. Open communication and mutual respect are key to a fulfilling relationship. When it comes to oral sex, preferences can vary widely. Some people might find it incredibly pleasurable and an essential part of their sexual experience. Some individuals find it incredibly pleasurable, while others may not enjoy it as much or at all. It's crucial to understand and respect these boundaries. There is no right or wrong answer when it comes to personal preferences. Each person's likes and dislikes are valid. The key is to approach these differences with an open mind and a willingness to understand. Communication is essential in navigating these preferences. Remember, a fulfilling sex life thrives on mutual respect and a willingness to explore each other's needs and desires. It's a journey of discovery that both partners embark on together. It's important to remember that sexual preferences are not a reflection of your worth or attractiveness as a partner. They are simply a part of who you are, and they contribute to the unique dynamic of your relationship. They are simply a part of who you are. Embrace them, and celebrate the diversity they bring to your life and relationships. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship tips. Open your mouth and say something. The power of communication in the bedroom. Honest and open communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, especially when it comes to intimacy. It's the bridge that connects two hearts and minds, allowing them to understand each other's needs and desires. Talking about sex can feel awkward or even taboo, but it's crucial for a fulfilling and pleasurable experience for both partners. Overcoming this discomfort can lead to a deeper connection and a more satisfying relationship. If you find yourself in a situation where your partner dislikes oral sex, the first step is to initiate a conversation. Approach the topic with sensitivity and care, ensuring that your partner feels safe and respected. Choose a safe and comfortable space where you can both express yourselves freely without feeling judged. The environment plays a significant role in how open and honest the conversation will be. Start by expressing your own feelings and desires. Be clear and honest about what you want and why it matters to you. Explain why oral sex is important to you and how it makes you feel. Share your emotions and experiences to help your partner understand your perspective. Then, actively listen to your partner's perspective. Give them the space to share their thoughts and feelings without interruption. Understand their reasons for not enjoying it. They might have past experiences or personal preferences that influence their feelings. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about finding a balance where both partners feel heard and valued. It's not just about expressing your needs, but also about actively listening to and respecting your partner's feelings and boundaries. This mutual respect and understanding can strengthen your bond and enhance your intimacy. Beyond the basics, techniques to enhance oral sex pleasure. If your partner is open to exploring oral sex further, there are various techniques and approaches that can enhance pleasure. Remember, everyone experiences pleasure differently, so it's important to communicate and discover what works best for both of you. Experiment with different types of touch, pressure, and speed. Some individuals enjoy a gentle and teasing approach, while others prefer more intensity. Incorporating your hands, fingers, or sex toys can also add another dimension of pleasure. Lubrication can significantly enhance the experience, making it more comfortable and enjoyable for both partners. Explore different flavors and sensations to find what you both enjoy. Remember, the key is to be attentive and responsive to your partner's cues. Pay attention to their body language and verbal responses to gauge what feels good. Section 4. Creating a comfortable playground. Setting the stage for amazing oral sex. Creating a comfortable and sensual atmosphere can make a world of difference when it comes to intimacy. Setting the stage for a pleasurable experience can help alleviate any anxiety or discomfort your partner might feel. Start by creating a relaxing ambiance. Dim the lights, light some candles, and put on some sensual music. Make sure the room temperature is comfortable and inviting. Hygiene is also paramount. Ensure you are both clean and fresh, as this can significantly impact the overall experience. Encourage your partner to communicate their needs and boundaries. Let them know that their comfort and pleasure are your top priorities. Section 5. Respecting boundaries, navigating desires, finding common ground in the bedroom. Negotiating sexual preferences in a relationship requires mutual respect and understanding. It's essential to remember that your partner's feelings are valid, even if they differ from your own. If your partner is uncomfortable with certain aspects of oral sex, it's crucial to respect their boundaries. Never pressure or coerce them into doing something they don't want to do. Instead, focus on finding alternative ways to connect intimately. Explore other forms of sexual activity that you both enjoy, such as manual stimulation, kissing, or cuddling. Remember, intimacy extends far beyond just sexual acts. Spending quality time together, engaging in meaningful conversations, and showing affection in other ways can strengthen your bond. Section 6. When no means no, understanding and accepting your partner's limits. It's essential to remember that consent is paramount in any sexual encounter. No always means no, and it's crucial to respect your partner's boundaries without question or guilt. If your partner expresses discomfort or disinterest in oral sex, accept their decision without judgment or pressure. Trying to change their mind or guilt-tripping them will only damage the relationship and erode trust. Remember, sexual preferences are personal and can evolve over time. What your partner enjoys today might change tomorrow, and that's okay. The most important thing is to create a safe and loving space where you can both communicate openly and honestly about your needs and desires. Section 7. Seeking expert advice. When to consult a sex therapist or counselor. If you're struggling to navigate differing sexual preferences in your relationship, seeking professional help can be incredibly beneficial. It's not uncommon for couples to face challenges in this area, and professional guidance can make a significant difference. A qualified sex therapist or counselor can provide a safe and supportive environment to discuss your concerns and explore solutions together. They are trained to handle sensitive topics and can offer valuable insights. A therapist can help you improve communication, address any underlying issues contributing to the discrepancy in preferences, and provide guidance on how to enhance intimacy and pleasure for both partners. This can lead to a deeper understanding and connection. Remember, seeking professional help is a sign of strength and a commitment to improving your relationship. It's a proactive step that shows you care about your partner and your future together. It's not a failure but rather a proactive step towards a more fulfilling and satisfying sexual connection. Taking this step can bring you closer and help you overcome obstacles. Don't hesitate to reach out for support if you feel stuck or overwhelmed. Professional help is available and can make a world of difference. There are resources available to help you navigate these challenges and strengthen your bond as a couple. Embrace the opportunity to grow together and build a stronger, more intimate relationship.